Guten Morgen and willkommen, meine Model Maniacs. This is Panzerman Bill, a Panzerman's bunker, coming to you with a final reveal of Warren Blanche's U.S. aircraft of the 20th century group build. Alright, fellas, here we go. Without any further ado, pull back to give you the full look of it. That's what she looks like. Let's go in for a little closer look up. Skyhawk's all done. Got the canopy on. Did some extra little detail, and I'm going to show you guys. Even put a little windshield wiper up on the canopy glass on the front there. Added some cables to represent the hydraulic lines for on the landing gear. Did them on all the you see it barely there. Put on that one too. Alright, got the chocks there on the ground. There you go. Carrier deck's all painted up. Looking good. Looks like a aircraft carrier elevator. Planes being brought up to the surface. You know. Hey fellas, ready for a mission? Oh, let's go get some Vietnamese. Let's go shoot them out of the sky. Russian helpers too. There you go. Some more of the grounds crew. These are the Fujimi grounds crew and the Fujimi fire tractor that came with it. And it looks pretty good. Even had a little net here that was all around the periphery of the elevator on the Intrepid. I actually did some research. Bill did research. Yeah, being smart. There we go. There's Mr. Beefcake. Hey you, I'm too Beefcake. You get the truck out of the way. The aircraft is coming up. Ooh, Beefcake. Yeah, there's the guy down there. Hey, we're coming up. Get ready. Put on the Top Gun music. Dun, 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 dun. Tractor turned out real nice. For the cost of one Verlinden, resin tractor, I got this tractor and all the crew and everything, so pick your battles. That's a good shot right there, looking down into it. You know, like if you're up on the deck waiting for the Skyhawk to come up. I'm happy with how she turned out, fellas. I'd like to thank Warren Blanche for having the group build. Lots of cool planes guys been coming up with. You know, a real rundown through the annals of Aviation Hall of Fame. You know, yeah, seeing all the great planes. She turned out alright. I like the aircraft carrier deck. Gives it a definite look to it, you know. Alright. Don't want to belabor the point. Had a lot of fun on the group build, fellas. Look forward to the next group build. Hanging out with you guys. Enjoying model building. 'Cause that's what it's all about. Building the community and enjoying model building. Yeah, that's right. Till then, this is Panzerman Bill, Panzerman's Bunker saying, Auf Wiedersehen, meine Damen und Herren. Wobble, wobble, wobble. Tschüss, tschüss, tschüss. Yang, yang, yang.